of our monetization agenda of rewarding talent in every respect. And as I call the athletes to display to you some of those creations, let me also confirm to you that as you instructed, we have reviewed the reward scheme for our athletes, and the cash rewards have been boosted significantly. And the allowances have also been boosted significantly. Lakini tumeambiwa kwamba kwa sababu Olimpiki ndio kilele cha yote, ndio mambo yote, tumeambiwa ya kwamba turudi tena tuangalie, tucheki, na tunafanya hivyo. Kwa hivyo mambo ni mazuri, mambo yako sawa. Mambo yako bien. So let me ask Mary and a few of our athletes to walk in with the part of the kit.
What you have displayed in front of you is the opening ceremony kit, followed by the official Olympics kit and the closing ceremony kit. With your permission, Your Excellency, I'll request that let's just spread a little bit for His Excellency to join us for a photo.
Associated with these champions on behalf of the 50 million Kenyans. I fully understand that your journey to the top echelons of being champions and Olympians is long to this sporting challenge. And rest assured that the entire nation is behind you in every step of this noble assignment as you unleash your fullest potential at the global showpiece. And I have heard you say you will spare no effort. And what my dear sister representing the Paralympics said, that they will do their best. That is all we ask. As you are aware, the government did not spare any effort to support your qualification pathway in line with our commitment to support the identification, nurture, and promotion of talents under our Talanta Hela initiative. We will continue this work with you until you come back with a harvest of medals and experiences from Paris, when we shall monetize this with handsome rewards. And I want to promise you that I have given very clear and firm instructions to the ministry to make sure that the reward system represents the excellence that we have in our sportsmen and women, and also the allowances must keep in pace with the excellence that we see in our sportsmen, men and women. It is very encouraging to know that we have some 6 sports disciplines qualified to represent the country in Paris. This is commendable, and it goes to demonstrate that with more investment from the grassroots, technical, and other support system, Kenya can have a rich portfolio of sports to send to the quadrennial games. And I want to very sincerely identify with the counties for partnering with us as we enhance the pool of spaces where Kenyans can participate in this endeavor. I am also delighted to learn that these games, and indeed our Kenyan delegation, has largely upheld the gender balance consideration, which I applaud the leadership of the National Olympics Committee, as I salute NOC for their laudable transformation to a robust, dynamic, forward-looking institution. Let me also appreciate my team at the